Forecast. Here's KATC Chief Meteorologist Rob Perillo.
Welcome back. Well, we missed the brunt of the effects of that tropical storm yesterday, but we're probably feeling more effects now of what's now a tropical depression that's a state away, but we have tropical rain bands in the area and some locally heavy downpours typical of a tropical system on the outer fringes, and that's what we're seeing this afternoon. In fact, the visible satellite imagery really showing you our tropical depression nicely that is moved into Arkansas, but we've been watching these rain bands come around fighting dry air, but this afternoon, the dry air losing out after I tweet and Facebook something that the dry air is winning. That's when the showers started really firing up this afternoon. And this is the nature of being a meteorologist and trying to forecast weather across the area. But sure enough, as we forecast yesterday, we thought we'd see tropical rain bands across the area. We're seeing that now. And look at this. So we have flood watches going all the way up through Minneapolis, Minnesota, and into Wisconsin for this system that's going to not only dump some locally heavy rainfall, but it's all going to be coming back down the Mississippi in a couple of weeks. And then a severe weather threat farther north and east will be interesting. A front's going to catch up to this, and then some very heavy rainfall when it catches up to tropical depression Cristobal. Now, as we look at the radar across the area, we see those tropical rain bands moving through the region, some locally heavy downpours. Fortunately, they're not too terribly concentrated nor training over the exact same spots, but in Lafayette at KATC, we've had 3 or 4 rounds of these tropical showers. That one moving through Breaux Bridge, about to hit the Henderson area, and then back to the west, another good-looking tropical shower showing up right around the Crowley Rain area. Some nice downpours here, and wait, there's more back to the south and west as you get into southern Jeff Davis Parish, northern Cameron Parish, and then back to the north and west. Some action up into Beauregard Parish as well. So these showers probably linger for several more hours. The model really not picking it up, but you got to get the spirit of these things. So we'll watch this tropical rain band to the north, and it lasts for a while up until about midnight or so, maybe a little bit after that. So those tropical rain bands around us may last that long. I don't think so. As we lose the daytime heating factor, we lose some instability. So tomorrow morning, we're back to mostly cloudy skies. It's going to be a warm and humid start to the day, and then more sunshine as the day wears on. Temperatures get into the upper 80s, lower 90s. Look at this. Feels like temperature. There's going to be a heat index tomorrow approaching near 100, so it's going to be an uncomfortable day for sure. Few showers tomorrow at 20%, but more chances of rain as we go into tomorrow night, early Wednesday morning, maybe a couple of healthy thunderstorms as well. We're not hatched in for any severe weather risk, but we're going to have pretty high dew points, and this front's going to have pretty dry air, so it's going to be kind of like a dry line moving through that you see in West Texas. So maybe some hefty storms through early Wednesday, but after that, Wednesday afternoon, drier air moving in. It is looking good. As for the winds, they stay breezy. Overnight tonight, they diminish a little bit inland, but they stay up along the coast. Our coastal flood advisory continues for water that could come 1.5 to 2.5 feet above normal. So far, right about 1.5 foot normal tides here. Those winds gradually diminish going into tomorrow evening, and the waters will subside along the coast as well. Inland, as we look at our sustained winds, it stays breezy overnight tonight, 5 to 10, no more than that. And then you see that afternoon enhancement. It'll be another breezy afternoon with gusts into 20 to 25 mile an hour range, quite possibly. So tropical showers early. I got rain chance at about 60% for now. 78 the low, so that's going to be a rough one for tomorrow morning. 91 the high tomorrow. At least a nice breeze for the save for that hot summer-like feel to the day tomorrow. Rain chance tomorrow 20%, 60% tomorrow night, ending early Wednesday. And then look at this, a relatively quiet period of weather for the rest of the week, the weekend, and it looks like much of next week as well. That's it for weather for right now. We'll be right back right after this.